What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle. Yes, this is the best money channel on YouTube, so make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you will be the first one to be notified. You will be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle. King Hussle X1M, no rags, just riches, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle Family, Turn Motivation into Means, Dog Pound Exotic Pups, Goosebumps Horror Stories, Sleeping with the Rain, King Hussle 2.0, Milwaukee Made, King Hussle, and King Hussle Live. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there, so please get a FaceTime verification call or video. Make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing your business and you're getting what you paid for, alright? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. What to do, my real King Hussle fans, supporters, subscribers, my real Hussle Nation Empire family members, and we are back at it again with the gems. I'm back at it again with the sauce. I'm back at it again with the information that's going to turn you into a boss. So you're tired of being a zero? You ready to be a family hero? Take a seat, get your pen, get your notepad, and let's get to these gems, because I got another bank today, another credit union that's giving out the bag. No credit checks and instant approvals. Yes, I got the banks for y'all. I got the whole list. I got banks that'll give you up to $200,000 with no documentations. Yes, LLC or personal loans. It's a lot of banks out there, just people don't know about them. So today's bank, we're going to be talking about Great River Federal Credit Union. All right, Great Rivers Federal Credit Union. All right, they giving out the $20,000 personal loans back, no credit check, instant approval signature loans. Right now, we all know what signature loans are. These are loans that you get with just a signature. All right, so without further ado, let's get into the gems on how you can build your personal credit, establish your personal credit. So when you go apply for this loan, you won't have no problems. All right, so let's get into the gems. So a lot of people out there want to start getting loans. A lot of people out there want to start getting credit cards, lines of credit. A lot of people need instant cash. A lot of people need funds, period. Now, I've been teaching credit for a long time. I've been talking about credit for a long time because I need more people to understand that credit is the #1 money game in the world. If you need a lump sum of money, the bank will give that to you. And a lot of people don't understand the logistics and the magnitude of what that means. So when it comes to getting a loan, credit card, line of credit, you need 3 documentations: W-2s, pay stubs, and bank statements. And the way you get those 3 documentations is easily by having a job. You get a job, you get W-2s, you file taxes. You got a job, you more likely got a bank account, so you got bank statements. You got a job, you get pay stubs. Those are all the documents that you need to walk into a bank and get approved for a loan. But the average American, believe it or not, doesn't have those things right there. But let me tell you this. You can get a loan being self-employed. You can get a loan not having a job. If you don't have a job, you got a bank account. If you got your W-2 or 1099, self-employed contractors, they file taxes. People file taxes. You can still get a loan, but not having pay stubs too. They got no doc loans. They got a lot of different things. They got a lot of different ways. So with Great River Federal Credit Union, they're giving out signature loans on the personal side and the business side. And there's different loan options. And that's what a lot of people fail to realize. When you go into a bank and apply for a loan, they have different loan options for different circumstances, for different people. So, personal loan, $20,000, right? You want to get that. You got bad credit. You need $20,000 fast. Just because you have bad credit does not mean you're going to get approved for that $20,000 loan. There's more that comes into, oh yeah, make sure y'all tap into my jewelry company. I will be designing jewelry for people, chains. We're going to have watches, Cubans, all that. I tapped in with a jeweler, so I'm going to be getting people right. But we're going to talk about that later. There are ways. See, first of all, people think that people don't understand that a credit score, a credit profile is how they track your payments, how they track how good you are with money, right? That's what a credit profile basically is. They're tracking and showing how good you are with money. Can you manage money? Can you pay your bills on time, right? Because if you want to borrow some money, they're going to look at that. If you want to borrow some money from somebody in the streets and you got a bad reputation for not paying back people money, or you got a cousin or a brother, somebody in your family that got a bad reputation of not paying people back their money, they're not going to lend you any money. And that's what business in the streets. So when it comes to credit and credit profiles, you have to finesse it. See, a lot of people who didn't know about credit, who still don't know about credit, they were under the impression, and a lot of people are under the impression that having no debt is good. A lot of people think that cleaning their credit reports and having zero debt is how you get good credit, and that's 100% false. The more debt that you have and that you can show that you can pay off and manage this, the better it's going to build your credit report and build your credit score. And that's going to show these banks, lenders, and groups that you can manage money. So you had last year, the year before that, a lot of people doing all these dispute letters and mail them in and keep mailing them in for no reason. Messing up people's credit, because if you dispute an account and it comes off, that's taking away age off your account, and you need as much age as you can on your credit report. You can't go by age. You can't go by. It's impossible. And what people don't understand is, you got debt. You got it's one number. That one number is calculated from all three of your FICOs. So you got TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. You got 3 FICOs. Each FICO reports different collections, different creditors, different debts. So your Experian might do your student loans, your TransUnion might do your car loan, and Equifax might do the miscellaneous accounts. All accounts added up together gives you your debt. Right? So let me break it down to you. So let's say you got $50,000 in debt, right? Multiple collection accounts on your credit report you have been paying on. Today's the day you're like, you know what? I want to start building my credit. I want to build my credit. You're not going to dispute every account on your credit report. You might can dispute an account or two just to get some points, but you're not going to dispute every account, especially you're not going to dispute your oldest account because you need that age. So what you're going to do is you're going to go start adding trade lines. Now, if you got $50,000 in debt, go to Trade Line Supply. CreditStrong.com, they got $10,000 trade line. And then Magnum Credit got a $30,000 trade line. So that's $40,000 in trade lines that you can get right there. So that's $90,000 in debt that you will now have on your credit report, but it will be good debt now because you're paying on those trade lines that you just added. And it's all reported as one number. So now you got $90,000 in good debt. No more bad debt, it's good debt now. So now that you got that good debt, you need at least 5 primary trade lines. Now I gave you guys multiple credit unions that give credit builder loans that will report to your credit report as a primary trade line. You need 5 primary trade lines. So let's say you get at least $10,000 in credit builder loans. That's now $100,000 in debt that you now have report on your credit report. Now it's showing that you got $100,000 in debt that you're paying on each month on time, and now you're building your payment history with the debt, and you still got the age on your credit report. This is the finesse. So you need at least 2 credit cards on your credit report. So go get you a secured credit card, and these are credit cards that you get using your own money as collateral. So if you got $1,000, go get you a secured credit card. You're gonna put that $1,000 on that credit card, and you're gonna to be honest with you, if y'all want a little trick when it comes to secured credit cards, get a secured credit card, put however much on there, and don't use it. Maybe use 10%, but pay it off, but don't use it because it's gonna keep giving you exceptional payment history because you're not using it. So that's a little trick. So just get it, don't use it. Just let it sit. Let it build the payment history on it. So once you got that credit card, then you can go get another one from Trade Line Supply. And these are credit card trade lines. And Trade Line Supply has credit card accounts that you can buy to report to your credit report from $1,000 to $100,000. So you already at $100,000, and they all just a couple $100. Because that couple $100 will get you $1 million. They got trade lines from 1,000 to 100. So let's say you already had $100,000, you go get you a $50,000-$60,000 trade line for a couple $100. Now you got $150,000-$60,000 in good debt with good payment history on your credit report that they're showing. And then you go buy your primary trade line from my couple of sites that I have. And if anybody needs those sites, hit me up. Sites are join my Patreon for $250 to get those sites for free. But adding these trade lines will now structure your credit profile to show that you can manage money in different factors. And that's what they want to see. They want to be sure that if they loan you this money, you're going to pay it back and still pay your bills on time without any problems. So once you got all those trade lines, you want to make sure you got a bank account with Great River Federal Credit Union, right? So Great River's Federal Credit Union, they have multiple loan options, multiple credit card options, multiple business loan options. But for this video, we're going to talk about the business one. So for greatriverfcu.org, and then you're going to go to personal. Once you go to personal, you're going to go to lending. Once you go to lending, you're going to go to personal loans. Once you go to personal loans, they give you 3 different options. So personalized for you. Life is consistently changing, and it's important to have the option to borrow money when it matters most. That's why they offer personal loans that at competitive rates, flexible terms, with a quick application approval process. So vacation, traveling, medical bills, auto repairs, debt consolidation, wedding costs, home renovations, moving costs, and more. So et cetera, right? So they have the signature loan. Achieve your goals or cover unexpected expenses with your signature loan option. So competitive fixed rates, flexible terms, fast approval process, no collateral needed, up to $25,000. Then they got the smart money, a solution for when you're short of funds. So they got the short-term credit needs, $500 to $1,000, fixed interest rate, no upfront fees, maximum term days is 180 days, no minimum credit score required, no collateral required. And then they got the share secured loan, all right? So that's where you're basically putting up your own money as collateral for that loan, all right? So once again, signature loan, competitive rates, flexible terms, fast approval process, no minimum credit score required, no collateral needed, up to $25,000 in a signature loan. So that signature loan means you only need your signature. And by having a bank account with them, you'll be able to get that loan much easier and much faster. All right, so make sure you guys are checking out Great River Federal Credit Union for your $25,000 signature loans. No credit check, instant approval, will fast approval process, no collateral needed, flexible terms, competitive fixed rates. All right, so always remember this. When it comes to these bad credit loans, it's a great chance your APR will be high. So y'all getting $25,000, cool, but understand you might be paying back $75,000, $80,000. So understand you're gonna have a high APR when it comes to bad credit, but they're gonna give you the bag, but you're gonna have a high APR. And just understand that credit is the #1 money game in the world. There's a lot of different credit unions out there that are giving these type of loans that are actually doing no credit checks, instant approvals. Now, when they say no credit check, that basically means they're not going off your credit. They're just looking and seeing what you got going on. Point blank, period. They just want to see what your debt is. Are you managing that debt? Because you still cannot, there's still a chance you won't get approved if you don't have these things on there. Like I said, just because you got bad credit doesn't mean you're going to get approved. As long as you got those trade lines on there, you're going to get approved. And those trade lines is going to start building your credit so you won't even have bad credit, all right? So make sure y'all checking out Great River Federal Credit Union. Make sure y'all tapping in with the credit game. Make sure y'all really focusing and locking in this year. Make sure y'all really actually learn to make some money because, like I said, I've been doing this for a long time. Y'all done seen me go from the flow to the top flow. Easy as that. And if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm here to give y'all the sauce. I'm here to give y'all the gems that's going to help y'all win. Y'all know where I came from. I was originally a hacker, so I know a lot of information about a lot of different things. I'm the originator of this. So with that being said, shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, supporters, and subscribers out there, because without y'all, there would be no me. You'll motivate me keep going. You'll motivate me keep dropping the sauce. You'll motivate me keep you entertained. So shout out to all of y'all. Anybody out there that's ready to change their life around. You tired of being broke because it ain't no joke? I'm looking out for y'all. FaceTime 101 Limit Gems is $350 Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Once the $350 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, send me a screenshot, let me know you pin ready, we can go from there. Y'all know regular prices, $1,000. So do not miss out on this opportunity, this deal while it will last. $350 Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Once it's on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, send me the screenshot. Let me know you pin ready and we'll go from there. No screenshot, no reply. You can contact me on my Telegram or my Instagram. Do not ask me 21 questions. Do not yo me. Y'all know what's going on. Y'all know what the deal is. Y'all know what you gonna learn. Make sure y'all got y'all questions ready when y'all when the lesson come, and we'll go from there. All right, one-time call. If you need my assistance from there on out, it'll be an additional $250 each month. All right, so make sure y'all getting this deal and locking in. 10 slots are available each day, and the seats fill up very, 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 very fast. So make sure y'all tapping in and getting these gems. $350 Cash App Bitcoin payment. Make sure y'all getting y'all in-person unlimited gems. $5,500. $500 positive rest of money meeting person. Meet me in Houston, Texas. Get y'all 3-month mentorships for $7,500. At the end of the mentorship, you're gonna know so much and make so much money and be able to be in a position to get your first loan, credit card, line of credit with y'all businesses. You're gonna be happy. So make sure y'all getting y'all mentorships. Also, make sure y'all subscribe to the Telegram's New Age Credit Repair and the Millionaire Network. Still look for people for the production company. Still look for rappers, singers, models, producers, cameramen, and women for the production company. So you rap, you sing, you model, make beats, cameraman or women, tap in, let's work. We're gonna do a lot of skits, blogs, movies, music videos, traveling, making money, networking, plus more. All right, so let's work, let's have fun, let's make some money. Make sure you go follow my blog channels, King Hussle 2.0, Milwaukee Made, King Hussle No Rags Just Riches, and King Hussle Live. About to be live streaming, and I know y'all don't want to miss out on that because it's gonna go down. My first live stream, I'll probably do the hot chip challenge. Probably see if I could eat 6 hot chips at one time, or not at one time, but back to back. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in on that. Make sure y'all follow my music channel, King Hussle X1M on YouTube. Like, share, subscribe on that channel. Just dropped a new mixtape, Hustle and Flow. Go run them views up, them likes, them comments, and subscribe. Fire mixtape. Make sure y'all follow my horror story channel, Goosebumps Horror Stories. Anybody out there that's ready to start making passive income, ready to start making thousands of dollars off YouTube with faceless YouTube automation channels, let's work. I'm making channels and making videos for y'all. So for $250, I create your channel in 2 videos. For $250, $500, I create your channel in 5 videos, and $1,000, I create your channel in 10 to 12 videos. You cannot beat that. So once you pay, I will create your channel and videos. So once I give you the login information, you'll be already in the game. You already have videos posted, and I'm gonna teach you how to continue to create those videos. It take $100 a month. Easy as that. So make sure y'all tapping in on that, and make sure y'all ready to win and get these gems. It's your boy King Hussle. Y'all know how to get down to any of these videos. I'll see you at the next lesson or video. Peace.